This video covers Windows driver installation and connecting to LightBurn. First, connect the H to mainboard to the PC via USB and power it on. For Windows 10 and later systems, the driver usually installs automatically. Let's verify if the driver is ready. Right-click this PC on the desktop and select Manage. Locate and click on Device Manager. Expand the Ports COM and LPT section. Check if USB serial CH341 is listed. If yes, communication is established. No manual installation is needed. If the port is missing, or if you are using Windows 7, please find the driver file and install it manually. Locate the driver package and double-click to run the CH341 installer. If the window doesn't appear, check the taskbar and click the icon to restore it. Click the Install button on the interface to begin. When the driver install success message appears, click OK to close it. Return to Device Manager, refresh the list, and verify if the CH341 port appears. Note: do not open multiple installer instances, or the installation will fail. If it says pre-install success but no port appears, unplug and replug the USB. If the installer doesn't respond, right-click and run as administrator. If the port is missing after install, click Scan for hardware changes in Device Manager. Next, open LightBurn. Close any usage hint pop-ups that appear. Click Devices, then select Create Manually. To add a new machine to your existing list, simply click the Devices button at the bottom right. Select Gerbil from the list. Do not choose Gerbil M3 or Gerbil LPC. Click Next, choose Serial USB as the connection method, and click Next. Name the device and enter the X or Y axis travel based on your machine size. For this demo, I'll use X600 and Y400. Click Next when done. Set the origin, usually rear left, top left. Adjust based on your machine. Turn off Auto Home on startup for now. We can enable it later. Click Next. Review the info and click Finish. Select the newly created device and click OK to enter LightBurn. Crucial step: click the wrench icon in the top toolbar to open device settings. Locate the baud rate setting on the right side of the window. The default is 115,200. You must change it to 921,600. Once changed, click OK to save and close the window. LightBurn won't reconnect automatically after this change. We must refresh the port. In the port list, switch to a different port, then select the H to boards port again. You can also try restarting the machine or reconnecting the USB cable. Check the console window. Seeing the version message means success.